Please come up to the podium so you can be on a microphone. Otherwise, your statements won't be recognized.
I'm Anthony Meyer. And appear by special appearance to challenge jurisdiction.
Wait until you're at a microphone, sir, so you're being recorded, please.
Okay, very well.
There at the podium.
Approach special appearance only, not as the named entity.
Come on up to the microphone, please. Let me ask, are you Anthony Meyer? Yes or no?
I am Anthony Meyer and appear by special appearance to challenge jurisdiction and confirm administrative default to avoid joinder. And I am approaching under special appearance and not as the named entity.
This is the case of the People versus Anthony Meyer. Are you Anthony Meyer? Yes or no? And that will determine whether or not there's a failure to appear today.
I am, Your Honor, I stated that I am Anthony Meyer.
Okay.
Here by
So,
special appearance.
Mr. Meyer, you've already
Objection,
made your statement.
objection.
You've made your
You're
statement.
interrupting me, please.
You've already made your statement this morning. Now,
Anthony
we need to
Meyer,
reset
and
the case for
appear by
trial.
Special.
You've already
appearance.
said that, right?
I'm only here to settle the accounting.
So you have two options. You can go to trial, or you can plead guilty or no contest to the charge of no insurance. You want to have the
I'm
case
hearing-
reset for trial? Yes or no?
I'm here in honor to settle the matter.
Then let's settle it. If you want to know proof of insurance, you can take that. If you want to go to trial, you can do that.
Can you have the DA read the charges into the record?
You're charged with no proof of insurance. You can plead guilty, no contest, or proceed to trial again.
I don't see any proof of the charging instrument. And,
You
or
were
any of
issued
the
a summons and
certified accounting.
complaint that's adequate to inform you of the charges. You test or stand by the not guilty plea that was entered by the court on your behalf, and we will reset the case for trial. How would you like to proceed?
Before this court can proceed, the plaintiff must rebut the administrative judgment and provide a verified claim by the party with firsthand knowledge.
That's inaccurate. We're going to set it for trial again.
Jurisdiction remains unanswered, and there is an unrebutted administrative judgment on the record, and I request for dismissal.
A motion to dismiss denied. Let's set it for jury trial on.
Here we go again. Meyer is asking for dismissal, arguing that important requirements haven't been met. The judge immediately rejects that request and moves the case toward trial. This is a good example of how courts often handle arguments they've already considered and rejected.
We got speedy trial restarting as of today's date.
Your Honor, for the record, I do not see the officer present in the courtroom, and without a sworn complaining witness with firsthand knowledge, I move the matter to be dismissed.
Motion to dismiss is denied. The officer does not have to be here today. We're going to set it for jury trial on May 7th
I have
at 8:30.
I've yet to see an offer from the DA. Can Mr. Epson please read the charges into the record?
The offer is no proof of insurance.
Okay,
guilty.
can I see those charging instruments and the certified accounting for that?
We're done.
I do not see the certified accounting for the charges or the charging instruments, and I again request dismissal. I'm hereby special appearance to confirm the administrative default. I've given you guys the motion, or sorry, the notice. I've given you guys the notice, order, and the motion to dismiss, and I've also put into the record an acceptance of offer. And again, Anthony Meyer, the living man, accepts the presentment of the offer for the case number 23T0294 to set off, settle, discharge, and close all accounts, including but not limited to the equitable subrogation IRS 941, the 941V, the 1099A, C, and OID, or supplied supersedes bond. I, Anthony Meyer, the living man, does not consent to go to prison on behalf of the named defendant, estate Anthony Janae Meyer.
Mr. Meyer, your motions are non-persuasive and essentially gibberish. Motions to dismiss or deny. The case is being reset for jury trial. You've seen what happens if you pull this at a jury trial. It will register as a failure to appear. A new warrant will issue, and we'll keep going through this
I'm here in
until
honor.
you show up and acknowledge in front of a jury that you are Anthony Meyer. So again, you can go back to trial. We've set a trial date, or you can plead guilty or no contest. Last chance. Want to set it for trial? Yes or no?
Again, I'm here by special appearance to challenge
Okay, we're
the
going to
jurisdiction.
trial May
and to confirm
7th
the
at
administrative
8:30.
default.
We're going to do a status pretrial conference with a mandatory appearance.
I'm here in honor. And the DA has yet to present me anything, no offer, has showed no proof. Officer is nowhere to be seen. I'm present right here in front of you. You're saying that I'm not here. I'm
Judge, for the
telling you that I'm
record-
here
For the
especially.
record, the officer was here
No,
on
he wasn't.
Thursday. Both officers came in one came in from Florissant, one came in from Park County.
The officer does not,
These
Mr.
officers-
Meyer, the officer
but
does not
Brock-
have to be here today.
He's
you
never
are-
been here for any,
He
for
was-
not the arraignment, not for the hearing, nor was he here for the jury. And then you
Had-
said that I wasn't here last time when I was present right here in front of you,
I called
telling
for
you.
Anthony Meyer twice. You refused to have a seat, so I found you failing to appear to be tried.
This exchange helps explain what happened during an earlier court appearance. According to the judge, the previous issue wasn't about identity or jurisdiction. It was about courtroom procedure. The judge says the case couldn't move forward because Meyer refused to take his seat at the defense table.
And I was telling you that I'm
Had
here by
you taken
special
your
appearance.
seat, had we sworn a jury and had the officer not appeared, it would have gotten dismissed. That didn't happen because you failed to take your seat at the defendant's table. So
I was willing to take my seat,
No,
Your
you
Honor.
were
I just
not.
wanted to let you know that I was here by special appearance to settle the matter. And
Okay.
again, today I'm here only to settle the matter.
the only way to settle it is to plead guilty or no contest.
Are you practicing law from the bench?
No.
No, I'm
Okay,
making the
we're
offer.
done.
Answer to plea on my behalf the first time.
As the statute authorizes, if someone refuses to plea, the court can enter a not guilty plea. So head down the hall, they'll get your paperwork. We'll see you here in person, March 4th at 3 o'clock for a pretrial conference. And the case is set for jury trial May 7th at 8:30.
You guys have my offer, and so I'm waiting for the certified accounting and for the instrument for this to be able to proceed forward. So
Don't hold your breath. Go down the hall to the
We'll be
clerk's
the same.
window. Thank you.
In the end, the judge denied every request for dismissal and scheduled the case for future proceedings. Meyer continued challenging jurisdiction and raising administrative arguments, while the court remained focused on moving the case toward trial. Whether you agree with the judge or the defendant, this hearing shows how courtroom procedure often determines what happens next.